What's up, tech lovers? Great to have you back. Let's jump right into today's fascinating tech discovery. Today, we're exploring the EXPLUX A1 DTF printer with XP600 dual print heads, a game changer in the world of printing technology. This incredible device is designed to make your printing experience faster, more efficient, and of higher quality than ever before. With its ability to print vibrant, detailed graphics in just 2 minutes, this direct-to-film printer is perfect for small studios, brands, and DIY enthusiasts looking to take their printing to the next level. One of the standout features of the EXPLUX A1 DTF printer is its high-speed printing capability with professional accuracy. With a 57602-880 dpi resolution, this printer delivers crisp, clear designs for t-shirts, hoodies, bags, and more. The XP600 dual-head DTF printer is capable of printing at twice the speed of similar devices on the market, making it an ideal choice for businesses and individuals looking to increase their productivity. Whether you're printing logos, images, or text, the EXPLUX A1 DTF printer ensures that your designs come out looking sharp and professional. Another key feature of this printer is its advanced white ink circulation and stirring system. This system prevents clogs and sedimentation, ensuring consistent opacity for bright whites. Combined with a heated drying system, it guarantees clean powder shaking and durable transfers. This means that you can achieve high-quality prints with vibrant colors and sharp details, without the hassle of manual maintenance or the risk of clogged print heads. The auto white ink circulation and stirring system is a major advantage of the EXPLUX A1 DTF printer, setting it apart from other devices on the market. The EXPLUX A1 DTF printer also features a user-friendly touchscreen interface that makes it easy to control and adjust your printing settings. The 7-inch multilingual touchscreen allows you to adjust print speed, run nozzle checks, switch languages, or activate self-cleaning with just a few taps. The printer also comes with an auto-load ink system that delivers one-click automation, eliminating the need for manual refills and saving you hours of tedious work. The electric lift-in press paper will simplify setup for hassle-free operation, making it easy to get started with your printing projects. In addition to its impressive printing capabilities and user-friendly interface, the EXPLUX A1 DTF printer is also versatile and compatible with a wide range of fabrics and materials. From cotton t-shirts to polyester shoes, this printer works on 24-inch wide films for textiles, accessories, and decor. The included RINN software and ICC profiles ensure vivid, true-to-design colors without complex color matching, making it easy to achieve professional-looking results. Whether you're printing for personal or commercial use, the EXPLUX A1 DTF printer is a reliable and efficient solution that can help you take your printing to the next level. Finally, the EXPLUX A1 DTF printer comes with seamless software upgrades that ensure your device stays up-to-date and runs smoothly. The secure, automatic updates are designed to optimize your printer's performance without interruptions, and built-in safeguards protect your workflow, letting you focus on innovation. With its consistent reliability and compatibility with Windows 7 1011, this printer is trusted by professionals for its ability to deliver high-quality results time and time again. In conclusion, the EXPLUX A1 DTF printer with XP600 dual print heads is an exceptional device that offers a unique combination of speed, quality, and ease of use. With its advanced features, versatile compatibility, and seamless software upgrades, this printer is perfect for anyone looking to take their printing to the next level. If you're interested in learning more about this amazing device, be sure to check out the link in the description below. Don't miss out on this opportunity to revolutionize your printing experience. Get your EXPLUX A1 DTF printer today and start creating amazing